all those kind of work together to start getting some of the improvement in the reduction in the delay for vehicles.
The next step is presenting the plan to the Austin City Council for approval, and that's expected next month. At health centers in Austin, people are worried about a loss of federal funding in the near future. Funding for federally qualified health centers expired in September, and as KUT's Ashley Lopez reports, Congress has yet to renew it long term.
The loss of those federal funds would be a massive hit for cholesterol. She says she's also had several mini strokes in the past few years. According to community care officials, about 70%.
Wrecked you, asshole! Film that! Goddamn
don't touch me!
freak. Really?
Don't touch me!
You're the one who
That's
almost
fucking
caused
assault.
a wreck!
Shut up!
Fuck off, you fat ass! Film that, fatty!
Yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you too! What you gonna do about it?
Get the fuck out of here!
Oh,
Move.
really? Really? Oh, yeah, fat boy! Go, fat boy! Go, fat boy! Fat boy! I'll fuck you up!
So Joe Allen is now a Stoke City midfielder. Rangers are beating Stranraer a goal to nil in the Scottish League Cup tonight, and Chris Froome says it would be dangerous to set targets for more Tour de France wins, and that 3 is incredible.
On your digital radio.
Take a classical journey to the Starman's legacy.
แล้วลูกมันกิ่งแล้วไปแล้วเอาไปอยู่ดับเอาไปอยู่อันนั้นไปแนวนี่เอาไปอยู่เฮ้ยรถพ่วงเรื่องการตัวไหนจับมันเอาไปอยู่มันลงเร็วทีมึงนี่แหละมันปฏิบัติไปหอดสุดแล้วผมไปหอดทั้งหมด
Anybody?